Berea College is in Kentucky, nestled in the foothills of Appalachia. It's a special place where 1,600 low-income students of various places and cultures, faiths and perspectives can explore their passions and receive a quality liberal arts education.
Berea is unique from other colleges in that its mission is to provide an education to talented students with economic need. Each student receives a full tuition scholarship and is given a labor position on campus. Students only pay what they can toward housing and food.
Without Berea College, I would have lost a dream. When I came to campus for the first time, I knew without a shadow of a doubt that I had found my home. I was called to Berea's commitments to learning, labor, and service. I yearned to be part of a community where all are loved and appreciated. Being a Berean was my dream. And now, 4 years later, I will graduate and let the world know that my dream became a reality.
That's why giving back to Berea is so important to us, because without the support of alumni, friends, and students, Berea couldn't continue their important mission to provide educational opportunities for students of great promise but limited resources.
As a student body, we decided to come together to spread the message among our peers about Berea's funding and why support is so important to Berea.
I give to Berea because I believe in the equal opportunity the college gives to students to achieve an education.
God has blessed me with an education from Berea College through the generous giving of others. It's my turn to give back and give to those who wouldn't have the same opportunity. I've been blessed to bless others.
I give to Berea because I believe in the future of the students here. I believe that each and every student accepted to Berea College has the full potential for greatness, and I want to help fund the education for those students.
The reason I give to Berea is because Berea has given me an opportunity that no other college can give me, and because the future of Berea counts on giving. I want to see future students who cannot afford higher education have the opportunity to attend Berea College.
As an international student, Berea has opened many doors for me and given me the opportunity for an education. I give back to pave the way for a future Berean.
We want other students to know that they are here because of the generous support from others.
We work to provide opportunities for students to
learn about Berea's funding,
show appreciation to the donors who have made it possible for them to be here,
and to give back.
Students know that they receive full tuition scholarships, and for many of them, Berea was their only option. But now they know how this was made possible.
Even though our students come from limited resource backgrounds and make very little money as college students, they are still inspired to give back and pave the way for future Bereans.
Our work has inspired several campus organizations, college officials, and alumni to challenge and match our gifts.
The success of our program means more to us than just a dollar goal. It means that Berea can continue to provide the same opportunities that were given to us. We can proudly say that we're making a difference in the lives of other students.
Our work is only beginning, and as we have inspired our college and community, we hope to now inspire others to make a philanthropic difference.